In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at how to insert Google Map on WordPress, step by step. So let's get started. So from Google, let's search for maps.google.com. The Google map will open and on top, you can see the location search bar. Let's search for Singapore and now it is located on the map. Click on a name and it will zoom in. You can share it from this left panel share button. Let's click on Embed a Map. Here you can see directions button and copy HTML button. You can also get small, medium, large or custom the size of it. Let's select small and it will appear small. Now copy this HTML link from here and go to WordPress and select Add New from Posts. Here you can see all your posts. Then go to Pages and select All Pages. Here click on Edit for this Contact Us page. Here you can see your content for this page. Then go to Text from top and here paste your copied HTML link. Then click on Update button. Now go to View Page option, and here you can see that the map is added in your Contact Us page. You can zoom in or zoom out your location as well as drag it to view more. So this is how you can insert Google Map on your WordPress. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.